Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel Tech and Cryptos. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to reset your password on Soundraw account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type soundraw.io and hit on enter right now. Initially, you will be in this page. From here on the navbar, you will find something like login. In case you're having any problems while logging in, we have created a video regarding that as well. Simply click on login right here. Now you're gonna be a page like this, the login page. At the very bottom of the screen, you will find something like forgot your password. Simply click on it. You will then be redirected to a new page. Simply enter the email address by which you registered to Soundraw account. Once you've entered your email address, simply click on send. Now an email will be sent to the registered email address. We simply have to follow the prompts. Let's go to Gmail right now. Right here in my Gmail, I have received something like this. You simply need to click on this reset password button right here. A new page will open up asking you to enter your new password, and to verify it, simply enter your details. Make sure that you enter a strong password. Once everything's okay, simply click on submit and your password has been successfully reset. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you reset your Soundraw account password. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.